Alright guys, today is gonna be a very short video. Not working on my truck. I'm gonna show you how to replace the tail lights on Nissan Frontier. This is 2018, but this applies to different models as well. All we need is either a Phillips screwdriver, or you can use a 10mm ratchet. I prefer to use a ratchet so it doesn't strip it around. So there is just two bolts over here, holding it over here, and two bolts over here. So let's start unscrewing this. Comes very easy. Just break it loose, and the rest you can do it by hand. Alright, now that it's out, the whole assembly comes out very easy. So now, as you can see, this one is broken. I'm gonna swap it. I'm gonna swap it for a new one. And then we're gonna do the same with this side. And that's it, guys. Just move over all the lighting. Just move over all the connection, put it back in, and it's done. Now once you remove these two bolts, there is also this clip, this pin inside there. So on the new lights it's pushed in, so you have to pull forward towards you, just like that, and it comes out from over here. It just on this side it's broken, unfortunately, but it's okay. So now I can disconnect all the lights. So sometimes these connectors can get stuck in there, so just push it over here, and then with the screwdriver you can pull this apart and it comes out. So this goes to the side. Let's grab our new tail lights and put all the connections back in place, same way. And make sure they fit, make sure they snap in. And now we can put the lights back in place. Let's grab two bolts. And let's make it tight. And that's it, and it's done. Now you can peel off the tape. Now just make sure you test the tail lights with your friend. Have somebody to go through all the lights. Make sure the brake light, the reverse light, and the blinker are working. But that's it, it's done, guys. So I hope this guys was helpful.